Okay. So we're gonna try to slide it on right here. Now forgive me if it's blurred or too close. I'm trying to actually do the work and put it on at the same time, so y'all just kind of bear with me. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screw this back down. I'm gonna screw this bottom one back down. Make sure you hit your threads right here. Okay. You're gonna have like pin-like screws for your brake shoes. I just couldn't get the other one out, so make sure your sponge, you have boots going in, so you want your screw to go straight through the boot here. You want to go in the same way you took it out. So this boot here, you want to make sure it goes straight through. You know, manually start on it. You know, when it gets too tight for your hand, just go ahead and put your socket on. So, I'm gonna tighten it down real good. Okay. You really want to make sure you get that brake in good and tight. So this I noticed, and this is a 14mm ratchet wrench. Yeah, I love the new ones with the spin back, just like the well, it's actually just a wrench. It's not a ratchet, but it's just a wrench. So I love the ones with the adjustments on it, and they give you all the freedom you need to turn it. So okay, so now I'm done tightening it as far as my hand go, but I'm gonna put a little bit more torque on it, and I'm gonna go underneath, and I'm gonna press down like that to make sure it's closed. So all right, y'all see what I did? So that's one side done. Okay, and you normally would put some stuff on the back right here. The little squeaking you hear sometimes be the little rust on the back. So, but hopefully I won't have all that going on. So I'm gonna put this tire on, and I'm gonna switch to the other side, and I'll meet y'all on the other side.